Today on Do It, I'm going to show you how I go about making my simple one-color signs in two different ways. There's a third sign that I'm giving away, but what goes on it depends on you. So I make these kinds of signs all the time for people, for high schools and for small businesses, subdivisions in the community, and so on. In this video you'll see both processes plus a couple different ways on how I add the chamfer to the edge, how I add the hardware for hanging on the back, and stick around because at the end you're going to find out how you can win our giveaway and get one of these signs of your own. giveaway time. All you've got to do is follow the link in the description and it will tell you what tasks you can do to earn entries in the contest. This time, we're kind of keeping it simple. The only entries available are subscribing to our channel, watching this video, and visiting our Instagram account. The sign that you get can be pretty much any shape that fits in this blank, about 23 by 17 inches. The logo or design that goes on it is completely up to you. It can be an existing logo that you already have, a particular school in the region that you like spirit sign for, or I'm willing to work with you and create some kind of custom design that suits your needs. The contest ends 2 weeks after the release of this video, so make sure that you get your entries in, and good luck. Thanks for watching. I almost forgot. Quick shout out to my friends at County Road Creations in Mahomet, Illinois. If you're anywhere in the area, or even if you're not, I don't know what their shipping situation is like, but they probably do. Check them out on Facebook, give them a like, and you just might find something that you would like her to make for you.